At the heart of its mission, Wazee organization envisions a community where children, especially girls, are safe, empowered, and supported, both in schools and at home. Under Objective 1, Wazee organization has taken significant steps to reduce violence against children and increase support from boys in schools and communities. 150 boys were trained through the Peace is a Decision module to become peace ambassadors, promoting dignity and respect among peers. 13 school teachers were equipped with knowledge on menstrual health, and 15 school teachers were equipped with knowledge on self-defense for better guidance and to protect students.
Kweli mafunzo haya yanawasaidia wanafunzi wetu wa kike, na namba ya washiriki nilionao nina wanafunzi 42. Hao ndio wanafunzi nilionao na washiriki, lakini na wengine tunaendelea kuwashauri zaidi ili waweze kujoin katika kikundi hiki. Na mafunzo haya yanazidi kutusaidia kwa watoto kwa sababu wanaweza kuepuka changamoto mbalimbali, hasa kwenye makuzi, kwenye changamoto wanazozipata shuleni na nje. Kwa hiyo mafunzo haya yanaendelea kuwasaidia.
Wazee conducted a training review meeting with 96 self-defense assistance trainers, 64 PIAD assistance trainers, and 15 school teachers to discuss the outcomes of the project. 6 schools were supported with sanitary pads, and through community-based games and dialogues event, Wazee organization challenged taboos and raised awareness on menstrual hygiene across 6 pilot schools. Dialogue sessions with students, teachers, and local leaders encouraged open conversation on menstrual challenges, strengthening the understanding and support in school communities.
Tumekuja kuleta ubalozi kwenu kuwahamasisha kwamba hilo ni hitaji la msingi sana kwa watoto wetu. Kama tunahitaji kununua nguo, wavae, wajistiri, na swala kununua taulo za kike ni jukumu la wazazi.
Under Objective 2, Wazee organization focused on strengthening child protection mechanisms in local communities. Child protection committees were formed and trained to respond to and prevent abuse. Meetings were conducted with government structures to improve coordination and joint protection efforts. Community mentors were trained on positive parenting practices, and a needs to assessment was carried out to understand parenting challenges and violence prevention gaps. Thanks to your support, Wazee organization continues to build a safer, healthier, and more inclusive future for every child. Your partnership is creating a real, lasting change across our communities.